Hey, so we're coming back with another video. Today we're using products from Scrappy Boy Stamps to create a cute card.
We're going to use this Shabubu head mini album die to make our cards. And we're going to use the Faux Fur pattern paper for our embellishments. So we're going to get started. All right, I've cut out the base layers of my, what I'm going to use for my card. I cut that out from some white cardstock. I cut 2 of those. I cut the layering pieces out of the pattern paper. So we're going to set these to the side. We only need one of our card bases right now because we're going to take and score. We're just going to add a score line on the little ears right here. About little more than half, about 7/8 inches down. So that's going to help me make my card base, and we will use that as the part we're going to fold on to attach our card together. So I'm going to go ahead and fold those over, take my bone folder, and I'll crease those, and I'm going to move it back on the other side as well. But that gives me my card base, or part of my card base. We're going to take and add our panel right there. And I'm going to use a strong adhesive for this. I'm going to take and put that on there. I'm also going to use liquid glue. There is a little score tape though, just to be a little bit more cautious. I'll trim off the excess, and I'm going to press that in and take my little pick tool here, and I will peel those backings off. So we're going to build our card base first. But I am going to add liquid glue above the score line so that I know I can wiggle this around and I know it's going to be super strong. All right, so we're going to take our other head and we're going to layer those together. Make sure they're nice and lined up. And that is going to give me my Shabubu head card base. So we can flip that up and it will stand up so far. So far, so good. All right, next we're gonna add our stitch layer. This is done with the pattern paper. I chose the purple fur. So he's gonna have some purple fur. So we're gonna layer on our little Shabubu head, layer number 2. Get that back over in place, lined up. There's that. Now we can line up or put on our second layer. I guess this would be the third layer, wouldn't it, y'all? So we'll go ahead and pop that on. Get that lined up. Now I have the layer for his little head. So we're going to add that in. Just like so. And I also have his little ears. Move that out of the way. His ears are actually in 2 different pieces. So we're going to layer one ear over here. And again, I cut the ear, in this part of the ear in the face from the same pattern paper. So go ahead and add this ear on that side. We do have an inner piece of the ear we're going to add. So I've got that. I chose a pink piece of the pattern paper to cut that from. Add that one. We've got our second little piece of our ear. So we'll add that over here. All right. And we've got our mouth, which is in 2 different pieces. Now for all my black, I just cut it from white and I colored it with an alcohol marker. We're going to go ahead and add his little mouth right here. This is his teeth. And then we have our little layer for his mouth, I guess is what it is. So I'm going to add just a little liquid glue, little dots along the back of his little smile. So we're going to layer that right on top of that top part of his mouth. We're going to line those corners up. We've got the outer part of his little eyes. So I will add this. And now that glue decides it wants to really work. So we're going to add that eye over on this side. We have this eye. So we'll add dots of glue behind it. There's that little eye started. Bring that down just a tad. I'm going to go ahead and add his little nose. I'm going to add just a couple of dots right there. I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to go ahead and pop that into place. Then I've got the second layer of his eyes. So we're going to add those in. We'll add this section of his little eye. And then each one of those has a little highlight, so we'll add those. And then we have his little whiskers. That we will add on to our little boo-boo. So we'll do his other little whiskers. Right over there. All right, I'm gonna come in with my white gel pen. So we'll add a little highlight to his little whiskers, a little to his eyes, up here on his little ears, his little face. And that, my friends, finishes our little Shabubu head shaped card. There's a look at the inside. You can open it up, have a place to write a message. If you need any of the products, I have them all linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you in the next video right over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.